Our top focus, heavy rain continues to lash Kolkata and its neighbouring districts. In fact, the relentless downpour triggered waterlogging in several parts of Bengal's capital. Visuals from inside the international airport in Kolkata showed flood-like scenes. You can look at the visuals in the same on your screens at the moment, showing what ground zero is looking like. And the prevailing bad weather has also caused several flight disruptions in Durgapur, is what we're given to understand, with Indigo cancelling all its scheduled flights for today. According to the weather department, a low pressure accompanied by an active monsoon has resulted in Bengal's ongoing rain issues. Let me take that straight across to my colleague Adrija. Adrija, good afternoon. We're looking at visuals over here, but what have we been able to understand with this at the moment? Flight services have been disrupted, but the entire airport is not flooded. It is given to understand these are parking ways. Is that the case? If you could help us draw more context.
Well, absolutely. You see the international airport in Kolkata where the flights are stationed, the entire parking area and the apron area, that is completely flooded as of now due to the heavy rains that is continuing since yesterday and in the past couple of days as well. Heavy spells of rain is witnessed in Kolkata and the neighboring districts, and not only the Kolkata airport but the Andal airport in Durgapur district is also, flooded, and several flights disruption in delaying and cancellation of flights as a result of that has also come up. And also in Kolkata, due to the bad weather, we are seeing that roads are being broken, and right now I'll just show you very briefly. If you can see that huge craters are being formed, potholes being formed on the road, and waterlogging, due to continuous heavy rain, the conditions of the roads are also worsening as given here. So of course, the heavy rains continuing since this entire week, and especially since yesterday, has caused several problems, not only at the airport but in the neighboring districts as well as in the city of Kolkata.
In fact, Adija, as you pointed out and you're showing us what it's looking like, given the steps taken in this particular matter, with the visuals that we see on our screens at the moment, airlines are also taking the decision of cancelling certain flights.
Well, absolutely, because, the airport, the parking ways are already filled with water, and in Andal airport especially, the runways and the entire airport is filled with water. Therefore, it is difficult for the flights to function at this point in time, and therefore several flights are being delayed, and many airlines are also cancelling their scheduled flights. So, of course, due to such heavy rains that is happening for the last 2 days, and especially since Friday night, this has resulted, and this is creating problems for the people, of course. But at the same time, even the waters in the dam in Durgapur, the Damodar River Dam, these dams are also, the gates, the lock gates are opened, and as a result, flood-like situation is also being created in several villages in different districts in Kolkata, in West Bengal. So, of course, very grave situation continues due to the heavy showers that is happening for this entire week, especially from the last 2 days.
Right, Adrija. Thank you very much for getting us more into what it's looking like with this particular situation. Having said that, let's leave it at that.